Hey Todd, my name's Corey. Veronica told me to send over the screencast over to you. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over 3 free tips on how to actually get more quality traffic to your website. Really drawing in the quality of work and the people and the kind of work that you're actually looking to do as well. Which I'll kind of get into that a little bit later on with those keywords. But anyway, the 3 things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. I got your site pulled up and really looking over it and bringing your word count up to about 1,500, maybe 2,000 words, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. Will make it a lot easier to layer in those keywords. Those keywords are how you're actually being found for as well. Even these images down here, all these little images and anything that you could put some content in. You got download one back there. Switch that out, put some keywords. That's just going to help with your rankings so you can get on that first page of Google and really draw in a lot more quality work. Now, if I go inside of Google here and type in air conditioning repair, Milwaukee, WI, you can actually do any location for this, doesn't really matter. But kind of give you an example, they got these Google guarantees right here at the very top. These actually came out last year. These came to replace the old school ads, which these old school ads became really spammy. So a lot of people have been going away with those, and so what Google did was come up with these Google guarantees to help weave out some of those spammy phone calls. Just another form of paid advertisement, really. I'll see if I don't know if you're running ads. I'll see if you are in just a minute. But if you are, I'd love to see the ROI, the return that you're actually getting from all your ad spend. Look at comparing the two between the organic traffic. It's kind of a cool scenario to go through too. Underneath the ads, we have this little this little map pack here, and you got a bunch of businesses trying to compete, trying to get in these top rankings. You got even different pages as well. Like these are all just directories, really. And really, to get in these top rankings is going to be dealing with a lot of citations, so that way you can actually be found on these top 3. And really what we'd want to do is come in and research and figure out those same citations that your top competitor has. We obviously want to go out there and outrank them, so we're going to go out and get maybe 50 or even 100 times the citations that they have. So when Google comes by and does their algorithms and crawls your site, they actually rank you up in the very top just because you outranked everybody. And there's no comparison in what you've done. You completely outbeat them in every avenue. So they have no reason but to rank you in the top right there. And then coming underneath that, we have all this is the first page of Google. And to find your website here, your pages, is it's really going to come down to having all that authoric content, being found for those keywords, which I'll get in the keywords in just a second. But also what it comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just really pushing power back to it. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I come in here and take your URL and stick it inside of a Ahrefs, Ahrefs is just a tool, lets you see what happens behind the scenes of a website. It's not 100% accurate. Really to get that accuracy, you need to go to Google Analytics for that. But anyway, coming in and this is when you actually started your site back in 2014, 2013 or so. This is the last 3 months of your site. You got 47 referring domains, which is pushing back 174 backlinks. Looks like historically you've had over 1,000 there. You got 254 keywords you're being found for. The PPC stands for pay-per-click. It doesn't look like you're running any ads here, but I don't know if you're doing any TV, radio commercials. I know those get pretty pricey as well. But you coming in, you got 44 clicks to your website every month, and we can actually come in and figure out where these clicks are actually coming from. We come into the keywords. And so these are all the keywords you're actually ranking for. This is the amount of volume for each keyword, the position that you're ranked for it, and also the amount of traffic coming from each keyword as well. So giving you a few examples, you got your you got your name there at the top. Just trying to furnace repair Milwaukee. There's 80 clicks a month. Your 12th position. Nobody really shops on the 12th position, so you're getting 1 click out of that, 1 keyword. Coming in, Milwaukee furnace repair, another 40 clicks. 13th position, missing all the traffic once again. So really coming in and finding more keywords that's just going to help you draw in more quality traffic. So if we find a 20, 30 keywords that's going to bring in that quality work, it's just really position those keywords to actually draw enough to get on that first page with those keywords, so you can draw the traffic coming from them. Giving you an example here, I'm going to do a DM and heating, and air conditioning. I'm going to stick them inside of Ahrefs. Do a quick overview. Like I said, not all backlinks are actually created equal. 92 referring domains, 582 backlinks, 335 keywords that are being found for. They're getting 210 clicks to their site every month. Coming in, seeing where these clicks are actually coming from. Air conditioning repair, Milwaukee, WI, there's 100 clicks every month. Their first position there, getting 24 clicks out of the 100. Pretty decent ROI, 24% there. And then they got their name here. Milwaukee Heating, there's another 300 clicks every month. 9th position, they're getting 12 clicks out of it. They could do a little bit better right there. Milwaukee Air Conditioning, 40 clicks a month. Furnace Repair, Milwaukee, WI, 60 clicks a month. 4th position, they're getting a few clicks out of the 60, but really coming in, and they have so many different keywords, and they have a decent ranking for each of all these keywords, which is really helping them get that quality traffic, so their phones are constantly staying busy and helping them grow. Anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, and think that I might have a few tricks on my sleeve, feel free to reach back out to me. I'd love to put a custom game plan together for you, or if you just want to play these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine too. Also, if you want to give me a review on how I did in this video, I'd love some feedback as well. Thanks. Have a good day.